Discover unparalleled protection and comfort with our top 5 picks for the best reusable face shields. Engineered for safety and style, these shields combine cutting-edge materials, ergonomic design, and crystal-clear visibility. Whether for medical professionals, essential workers, or everyday use, explore the ultimate facial defense in our curated list. Number 1. Arttoframe Protective Face Shield. This reusable face shield can provide you 180-degree isolation from saliva, harmful pathogens, and droplets. We recommend this face shield because it is lightweight and doesn't leave marks on your face. It provides you with full face covers. Arttoframe is a protective face shield that comes with glasses. It is made from excellent quality material that makes it durable and long-lasting. The anti-fog coating does not affect your visibility. Number 2. Safety Face Shield. We recommend this face shield because of its smart design. The wraparound design covers your full face. The raised design of the shield keeps it away from the face. The anti-fog coating gives you maximum visibility. This face shield is made from PVC material. It provides your face with exceptional protection from hazardous materials and harmful chemicals. We recommend you to buy it because it is wearable with thin frame glasses. This 2-pack reusable goggle shield gives you comprehensive protection. It gives you a perfect fit to prevent all kinds of viruses and infections, and it is also wearable with thin glasses that cover your full face till the chin area. Number 3. Rofeer 10 PCS Reusable Face Shield. This is a highly recommended face shield because it gives you a lot of ventilation. It prevents your face from sweating because of its breathability. Rofeer Face Shield comes in a pack of 10 PCS. It comes with a soft sponge headband, which allows you to wear it for a couple of hours. It also gives you superior face coverage compared to a face mask. This high-definition face shield protects you against coronavirus droplets. You don't have to touch your face to adjust the shield constantly. It stays intact. Rofeer 10 PCS Reusable Face Shield is comfortable to wear. If you work as a welder, gardener, or carpenter, it is extremely functional. The 10 PCS of the shield are washable and reusable. It reduces your exposure to harmful bacteria, viruses, and germs. You can wear this face shield to prevent yourself from getting infected. Number 4. 6 Pieces Reusable Safety Face Shield. If you are looking for adequate protection, this 6-piece reusable face shield is the best choice. It protects you from respiratory particles and covers your face in the best possible way. Moreover, it keeps the virus from entering your mouth, nose, and eyes. This face shield does not give you a chance of occupational hazards. You can wear them comfortably for the long term. This face shield is made from high-grade polyethylene, which prevents the droplet transmission of coronavirus. The polyethylene makes it impact-resistant. It is an extremely lightweight face shield that covers your full face. Besides, you get 6 pieces of the reusable face shield in a pack, which is not only an awesome offer but also a saving pack. This face shield is designed to protect your eyes and mouth. Furthermore, it is easy to clean and wash. You can reuse it several times. Number 5. Tire Stickers Halo Plastic Reusable Face Shield. This full face shield provides maximum protection to your face. This one-size face shield is suitable for most people. It is made from PET material, which is lightweight. If you are looking for a face shield for an extended period, Tire Stickers Halo Plastic is the best face shield mask. We recommend this face shield because of its full face coverage. No matter where you want to wear this is the ideal face shield. Tire Stickers Halo Plastic Reusable Face Shield Mask comes with a wraparound design. If you are looking for an added layer of protection, this is a good choice. This reusable face shield prevents you from the splashes of saliva and unwanted debris. As far as the coverage is concerned, it gives you full face coverage.